Hi guys, I've not done any recording in quite some time, mainly down to the fact that I managed to break my collarbone twice in the space of 7 weeks. But I just thought I'd give you a bit of a catch up. I'm still struggling on being able to do much on the van, but just thought I'd give you an update to where we're at. So I did the cylinder head, hoping that that was the cause of the smoke. I had a horrendous smoke on the van. It's 1.6 diesel. I know it's not very fast, it's the non-turbo version, and it was just smoking. So after ruling out everything else, and don't get me wrong, the cylinder head needed doing. It was cracked, it was full of crap, it was horrendous state as per my other video. The only thing that it could really be would be then the fuel pump, which I've taken to bits. I really should have sort of done a bit of a video of it prior to taking it to bits, but if you skin like myself, and you're a bit bored and you can't really do much, I thought, you know what's worst, it's not working anyway, so take it to bits and hope for the best. What I would say is that after taking it to bits, it was in an horrendous state, and I've sort of learnt two things with these vans. There is it's like a piston that goes into the actual unit. This was solid, and when I mean solid, you couldn't move it, you couldn't twist it, you can pull it, and it's designed to actually turn. Now I've ended up sort of using a bit of wet and dry to get this to the point where it actually now fits in and you can actually move it and push it in and out. So I've been told that can be something that causes problems. And then the other thing, which is a unit that comes into to here, which is the pressure relief valve, that you're meant to be able to shake it, and it's meant to be able to click. So if you've got a van that's smoking, something to sort of look out for is this and this. So it might just be worthwhile. But what I would say is a mate of mine has lent me a one of these ultrasonic cleaners. I'm impressed. I am really impressed. Some of the stuff in here was absolutely ditched, and it's come up absolutely amazing. You know, we're talking severe rust on these parts, and you know, nearly coming up like brand new. The springs, well, if you'd have seen the gloop that was in these springs, and yeah, just not the greatest quality on my phone, but yeah. So I'll keep you up to date and see how we go, and hopefully I might be able to get this van running and actually turn it over without polluting most of the atmosphere. So see how we go. I'll keep you up to date. Cheers, bye.